Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to follow someone on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Pinterest on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom left. Now search for the account name that you want to follow. Now tap on their profile name. Then simply tap on the follow icon. Another method can be go back to home. Open any pin that you like. Then simply tap on follow icon beside the creator's profile name. And that is how to follow someone on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the online help guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.